Welcome to another Method Man Clash of Clan lesson. This video will give you a strategy on how to manage your elixirs for wars and raids. Most importantly, you will learn how to graph linear inequalities for your math class. If you still need instructions on how to graph linear inequalities, watch my first video on this lesson by clicking on the link below. The next slide is just an example problem that you can try on your own, and it will show you how to manage your money by using a raid like I try to use on this one, using balloons and dragons. This is my first time ever using this kind of raid, so let me know what I could have done better, because I could have gotten way more in his loot, but I guess it was alright. I got 50%. Alright, let's go learn some linear inequalities on the next slide. A level 4 golem costs 37,000 elixir and a level 6 balloon costs 4,500 elixir. Graph all the possible combinations that you can make with the two troops if you are trying to spend less than 150,000 elixir. Think about what we did in the first video. I'll map it out for you to give you a little hint. First, find your X and Y intercepts, and then that will be 2 points that you can develop to make your line. And then it's a linear inequality, so figure out which side is shade by picking out a test point. Pause the video and try this problem on your own, and when you are done, you will get a brief explanation on the next page. Alright, let's go over this answer. First, I let my dragons be X and Y for my balloons. I set up my inequality right here to help me graph. My inequality is 37,000x plus 4,500y, and I want that less than 150,000. My budget for my elixir. To find my x-intercept, I let y equal 0, and then I solve for x to get the point 4.1 and 0, which is my first point right here. To get my y-intercept, I let x equal 0, plug that in for x, solve for y to get my second point. 0 and 33.3. It's a dotted line because this is a less than symbol. It doesn't have that equal sign under it. And then my next thing I'm going to do is to pick out a test point. Pick an easy test point, 1, 1. I plug that in, and that was a true statement, meaning that I shade on the bottom part of my graph. If it was false, I would shade on the other side. So let's talk about what this purple shaded part of the graph means and why I didn't shade the negative numbers. I didn't shade the negative numbers because I can't get a negative dragon or I can't get a negative balloon. The side that's shaded right here means that those are all the possible combinations that I can make with dragons and balloons. For instance, if I pick this point right here, that means that I can grow 1 dragon and 15 balloons. If I pick this point right here, I can still pick 4 dragons, I'll still be under my budget. Or if I wanted to do an all balloon attack, I can make 30 balloons. I think the very minimum that I can make, or very maximum, sorry, is 33 balloons and 0 dragons. Hopefully this helps you budget your elixir. I mean, you can try this with any combination of your favorite troops. I don't think I'm going to attack with a dragon and balloon anymore. That was just a mediocre attack. Thank you for spending time with the Method Man, and if you guys like these Clash of Clans lessons, I'll make more. Until then, I will see you on the next episode. Peace!